Ashraddhadhanah Purusha Dharmasyasya Parantapa Aprapya Mam Nivartante Mrityu Samsara Vartmani. Those who are not faithful in the path of devotional service cannot attain me or conqueror of foes, but return to birth and death in this material world. There is a very nice discussion in Bhagavatam about Bharat Maharaj. Bharat Maharaj was quite very young at that time, and at a very young age he left his kingdom, his beautiful wives, his friends, his horses, elephants, because he had attachment for all these possessions, and he went to the forest for devotional service. It is said that when he looked at his kingdom, he was looking as you look at the stool after passing, as in any attachment. This much level. In fact, Bhagavatam continues to glorify, and Narad Muni says a kind of renunciation is showed at the time. Because what are the 6 opulences? One of the 6 is renunciation. Cannot be imitated. It is said just like some birds can fly very high in the sky, other birds can just jump from one twig to another. So similarly, we may say we have faith, but then faith differs. There are 6 opulences, and particularly the devotee of the opulence of austerities and renunciation. They're the ornaments of a devotee. In fact, we respect a devotee when we see his renounce. Correct? In fact, in public also, they don't care for your knowledge. They first see what is your sacrifice you're making. Correct? First thing that is visible to people, what is your sacrifice? Now, coming to the faith, actually faith differs. Faith is at different levels. It is not I have faith. Just like some people say, believe in God, do whatever you want, you will go to heaven. That's nonsense. Correct? If you believe, you have to obey Him, no? No, just believe. You do whatever you want, I just believe and I will go to heaven. It doesn't work that way. Because this belief is not sentimental. It is just fancy. It has no meaning. If you have faith, you should act on that. Therefore, Prabhupada translate bhakti as devotional service, not as devotion. But translate as devotional service, engagement. Oh, I have bahut bhakti hai Bhagavan. Good, you should act. Now in the Bhagavatam, there are 9 stages. Again and again in the purports, Prabhupada talk about the 9 stages which have been given. Now, these 9 stages have been analyzed. And what is the first stage? Shraddha. This Shraddha refers to Komal Shraddha, initial faith. As you practice spiritual life, what is visible is 2 things show whether you are going up. One thing is an attraction to serve Krishna. One thing is your detachment from this world and all the garbage emotions. These 2 things go parallelly. One thing is a pleasure of serving Krishna. So beautiful. If this pleasure is there, bhakti pareshanubhava virakti. It should be distaste for all the material emotions. That example is given as the Lord Chaitanya. When Lord Chaitanya was going from the place is called Shantipur, the place of Advaita Acharya's house, and he was going to Jagannath Puri. So what had happened is that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at a very young age, he was a young married boy rather, only 24-year-old, and he was just married. This was second marriage. First wife had died, he had just married. This wife was Vishnu Priya. In fact, his wives are Lakshmi because he is Krishna. So there is no separation between them. That Lakshmi and Narayana cannot be separated, but still, to give an example of sacrifice, the Lord Chaitanya left and he took sannyas because he understood that I cannot preach properly with this grahastha ashram. I will not be able to preach. Practically speaking, it is true. So what he did, he thought, let me fully dedicate myself to preaching the mission. And at the same time, in a sannyasa ashram, people offer some kind of respect, which will help me to facilitate. Correct? Anyway, we go in this dress, immediately people get up. Hare Krishna. It helps you, it facilitates. It's not compulsory, but it definitely helps. And then your time, you're free to preach the mission of the Lord. Otherwise, your householder means there are so many responsibilities, duties, some social function, please come, that marriage is there, that somebody's birthday is there, and your wife is there, the child admission in the school is there. There are enough things to entangle you in this world, samsara. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to get rid of the samsara because he wanted to embrace a larger family, giving up a smaller family. The whole world becomes a family actually for a sannyasi. Not that cripple-mindedness. My 2-person, one, he is my family. No. Why? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That is the principle of sannyas. Whole earth is my home. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left. So there was Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Acharya. They felt little bad for the mother. Now, once he has taken sannyas, we are brahmacharis. Sannyas means you cannot see your wife now. That is strictly forbidden. But they felt his mother he can see once now at least. Because, it will be. And both, his Vishnu Priya and his mother, what is the name of the mother? Sachi. She were all pure devotees. So he felt, okay, he might have taken sannyas of preaching, but actually they don't deserve in any way separation from him. They're all pure devotees. They're not hindering his devotion in any way. But it's all, at least let us see the sun for some time. Chaitanya Charitamrita. So then what happened, that the Nityananda Prabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing and going towards Vrindavan. And Nityananda, he was in total ecstasy. He was now slowly manifesting. After his first initiation and now after sannyas, he was manifesting transcendental bliss in service to Krishna. So Nityananda Prabhu was behind him. Krishna is, who is Lord Krishna? Krishna. Lord Chaitanya is Krishna and Nityananda Prabhu is Balaram. Okay? Now Nityananda Prabhu was dancing behind him, they're going. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, which is the way to Vrindavan? This way, this way. He was guiding him, misguiding him, and he took him on a wrong tour and he took him to banks of Ganges, not Yamuna. When he saw the Ganges, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Yamuna aa gaya? Nityananda Prabhu said, yes. Is this Vrindavan? So he was over. Very soon it came. Maybe he was in ecstasy. So he started offering prayers to to Yamuna. There are various prayers he started offering. And at this moment, suddenly Advaita Acharya came in a boat. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Advaita Acharya from Bengal is coming here in a boat, and so early something is gadbad. So he asked Advaita Acharya, is this Vrindavan? So Advaita Acharya says, wherever you are, that is Vrindavan. Some good gadbad. So then Advaita Acharya said, whatever we did, it's fine. Your clothes are wet now because he was already in water. And you do not carry second set of clothes, correct? Yes, I did not carry second. So you need to change clothes. I have set of clothes with me. You come to my house. Little. Thoda sa khana banaya bas. You can have some food. ठीक है. Who is Advaita Acharya? Shiva and Mahavishnu combination. And imagine an opportunity for him to serve. And the feast will be there. So both of them, Nityananda Prabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sit on the boat and they go to the house. And there in the house, when they reach, small feast. It is only hundreds of items. You can't even imagine. He had personally cooked with his wife, Sita. And they made huge feast for Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda. Lord Shiva is feasting Krishna Balaram. What pleasure it will be. Massive feast. Anyway, that's another pastime. Big pastime happens there. Then every day in the house, Advaita Acharya, there is Harinam for 3 hours. Therefore, Prabhupada requested in Chaitanya Charitamrita in this instance. I request all of my temples, there should be 3-hour Harinam in the temple. So it's actually 3 hours we should do. The devotees told Prabhupada, because they used to read every word. Prabhupada, you read in Chaitanya Charitamrita, you have given an order that we should do 3 hours Harinam. We are trying. Prabhupada, it is difficult 3 hours. Prabhupada said, okay, you guys don't have taste, at least do 1 hour. That's why we see to at least 1 hour we should do. And then he asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day used to dance with ecstasy. For 3 hours he used to have beautiful Harinam. Lord Chaitanya, Lord Nityananda and Advaita Acharya. It was beautiful Kirtan. Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita. 3 were definitely there. I think Gadadhar was also there, all associates were there. And at this moment what happened that the Sachima, she requested everybody, let me cook. Because later everybody will get chance. Now others, I will not get chance later than this. Let me cook. So they allowed her to cook. She was cooking. And there was great festival every day. After some time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, few days said, see, this is not working fine. I have taken sannyas. संन्यास के बाद तो लोग घर के बाहर निकलते हैं. ये तो संन्यास के साथ सब रिश्तेदारों के साथ बैठा हूँ मैं. People will laugh at this. This is not correct. Please present to my mother. This is my problem now. ठीक है? There is a discussion. So Mother Sachi says, correct. Please go. For your own good, now you should go. So Prabhupada writes a beautiful purport there. He said, when mother stops the child from service to Krishna, she is Maya. She is an illusion. And when she gives permission to the child to serve Krishna, she is a real mother. Otherwise it is Maya. तुम भी फंसो. हम तो फंसे हैं, तुम भी फंसो. कैसे निकल रहे हो? वो होता ना, वो क्रोकोडाइल होता ना, क्या क्रोकोडाइल होता है, क्या कैचवे, एक निकल रहा है, बाकी खींच, बाहर तू कहाँ जा रहा है, तू भी है. So then what happened anyway? So Lord Chaitanya, when he got his mother's permission, he was extremely polite actually. We can't imitate. It's Krishna himself. Very, very gentle. If you read Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's statement to the devotees, so sweet. ऐसा आप ड्रीम भी नहीं कर सकते. He speaks so sweetly to every devotee. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu now starts walking towards Jagannath Puri, all the people, they just faint. Crying, they just faint. There is unbearable pain. Everybody, Sachimada, all the devotees, they can't dream the Lord Chaitanya can go away from there. And Advaita Acharya starts following Lord Chaitanya, crying. Imagine. So Lord Chaitanya stops. See, you're an elderly person. If you cry like this, what will be the condition of other people? And then he went away. So again he showed the spirit of renunciation. In fact, when he just put his one step outside the house, there was like, होता ना जैसे कोई मर गया कि पाया बहुत जोर का हल्ला हुआ. But he did not look back. So that is the spirit of renunciation. So this requires all, actually renunciation requires faith. Faith is more. One thing is the attraction towards Krishna, because Krishna is so beautiful, unlimitedly pleasure. And when you are enjoying the pleasure of serving Krishna, automatically what manifests is Vairagya. Jnana, Vairagya go together. If Vairagya is not there is no Jnana. Maybe we know academically, but the pleasure is not manifesting in. Atma is hankering for happiness. Atma wants only 3 things. What are 3 things you want? Sachidananda. The highest pinnacle of spiritual life is happiness. Now this faith doesn't come from Shraddha. Shraddha is Komal Shraddha. Komal. Just like a grass, dabaya dab gaya. So similarly in the beginning stages when people take to Krishna consciousness, we said don't preach, because when you preach, others will shake your faith. Because you will tell something, why that? Pagal ho kya? And he stops. So it's the beginning stages. First you become convinced before you want to preach. Sometimes we get overexcited. Little I know and I want to tell. Wait a minute. First you be convinced. Give some enough time. That is Shraddha, first stage. This is good for me. Okay? So therefore we go to temple, we sit down. That Shraddha is actually there in India. Therefore millions of people in India. Now Janmashtami is coming, 25th August. We will see in TMPI Hall. Whole city we know will come. Faith is there. Let us go. It's Janmashtami today. Otherwise, why do they come? Some faith is there. Then, but it remains at only that stage. That's the misfortune of the India today. Only it remains at that stage. It only remains a Shraddha, never grows. Never grows. It's only skin deep. Krishna hai. Krishna hai to kya ho na, bhakton ko milo. Kuch aur gyan prapt karo. What orders Krishna has given, what instructions Krishna has given. Actually, faith means eagerness to hear about Krishna. Is that developing? That is Sadhu Sangha. Where do you hear about Krishna in Sadhu Sangha? Okay. Sadhu Sangha, Lavamatra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi Hoy. Just by the momentary association of the sadhus, person can, just like Prabhupada is saying in the purport, faith develops an association. How many people we have watched? They were with us, they were with the devotees, nice faith, everyday chanting 16 round, gone on, boom. Because first thing kills his prasadam, then kills his all the activities of Sankirtana, then his association, everything kill, boom. They stop chanting even one round sometimes. It is so dangerous. But somebody may not be so mad, but whatever he does, then it will only go down. It will not go up. So then, this is the case of Raghunath Das Goswami. Okay, so Shraddha. The next situation is Sadhu Sangha. One person associate, let me go, discuss his devotees about Krishna. Then the faith comes to second stage, Sadhu Sangha. We start, correct? And in reality, is in India, it doesn't reach that stage only. It remains at the first stage only. It never comes to such. No Sadhu Sangha. Mostly people know Sadhu Sangha. They go, give some money to Pujari, get one aarti done, out. No Sadhu Sangha. कहीं भी देखा है साधु संगा? No. Sadhus are also generally scary. People get scared. If you go to some places in North India, they say bato bato. Bato means 2000 rupees get. Nobody wants to sit. They just stand and give 10 rupees and run. If you have seen, they say bato bato. Nobody wants to sit. Sitting is dangerous. True, if you organize in a better way, then it is nice. Sometimes when we go, we sit down and we tell the pujari, please tell. And actually they are very good at telling about the place, and then you give them some dakshina. In a group you go, you can manage very nicely. But sometimes they misuse. The people are scared of even listening to sadhus. Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha. Then comes Bhajana Kriya. Bhajana Kriya means, in the association of the devotees, you take shelter of the Acharya. On the order of the Acharya, Bhajana Kriya happens. Actually, Bhajana Kriya generally refers to Diksha. Bhajana you are doing, it's always on the order of Acharya. It is not, okay, I like to do it. No. Everything in spiritual life is done on the order. Why I am getting up in the morning? It's the order of the Acharya. From that whole day is order, 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 order. In this movement, ISKCON movement, everything is Prabhupada order. Nobody can change it. It's Prabhupada order. Do this, do this, do this, do this. Okay? That is called Bhajana Kriya. Why we are chanting Hare Krishna mantra? Your mind will say, why not chant the no? Acharya's order. Why are you chanting 16 round? Acharya's order. Why you are following four regulated principle? Acharya's order. So when you develop this tendency that I become controlled by the orders of the Acharya, that is Bhajana Kriya. Then it becomes pure. You understand this point or not? A devotional service done in the order of the Acharya becomes pure devotional service. I gave you this example. Suppose you are offering chapati to Krishna. It is burnt chapati. Krishna says, what are you offering? No, Prabhupada told me to prepare, so I am giving. Okay, give. Otherwise, you not have taken. Because the Acharya has ordered me, so I am trying. Okay, give. He ordered, na? You will accept. You understand? Sometimes you go for some work and it is not happening. What do? You take some person's name. This person. Oh, that person. He does your work. You agree? Otherwise, he may not be interested. So, as such, directly we cannot introduce ourselves to Krishna. We introduce ourselves as servant of the Acharya. That is how Bhakti Marga works, always as a servant. Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya. When on the order of the Acharya, we take to the path of devotion service, next thing happens is Anartha Nivritti. Our heart starts becoming purified. We feel calm, we feel so peaceful. Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti. Then develops Nishtha. Then faith comes. Faith develops more. It becomes firm faith now. Many people come and they say that why I am not getting faith in Krishna consciousness. It is not the first stage. Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha is the fifth stage. But how can they come to the fifth stage without following the 4 steps? Is it possible? Is it possible? You can suddenly develop firm faith. So therefore Prabhupada says, if you do not follow the 4 regulated principles, all doubts will remain. चारों डाउट रिमेनेंगे. क्यों है कृष्ण जी? नहीं है. बजप कर रहे हैं, कभी के मन में आते हैं क्या नहीं है, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं. This will all be there if you don't follow if the process is not working. That means something is wrong, something you have not applied properly. Okay? Then develop the standard faith in Krishna consciousness, because you have seen that your mind has been washed by the process of Krishna consciousness. Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, then Ruchi. Now what happens? Ananda, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. When you chant Hare Krishna, by grace of Krishna, you feel koi muh mein koi mishri rakha hai. So sweet. Therefore, chanting we should do very attentively. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Your first realization of Krishna, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, your first contact with Krishna in the material world is the holy name of the Lord. It's a contact. Between you and the spiritual world, that's a contact. Hare Krishna. Take it, Krishna. Then Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajan Kriya, Anarthanviti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti. Asakti means you feel affection for the Lord now. Krishna. Then, after that, Bhava. What is Bhava? Primary love for the Lord. And then, Prema, full love of God. So, there are 9 stages in devotional service. And gradually, a person develops in this. Another point to say is that the faith is not something. Faith is you are believing in something sublime. I am saying Krishna is there. I have not seen it. How do I say? How do I say? There are various discussions I have done on this, but I am just short. I am saying the faith is given by Krishna. Krishna is the one who gives faith in even Devatas. When you do devotional service, Krishna gives faith. Athapi te deva padam bhujam doya prasad lesha anugreh te evahi jana vitatvam bhagavan mahim no natu eva api chiram vichinnam. You can go for millions of years, you will not develop any faith. Only when Krishna is so pleased, he is pleased with your devotional service. So you begin with initial faith, and faith builds on faith, and gradually your faith in Krishna increases by the mercy of Krishna. Okay? This is how this process of devotional service proceeds. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki. Hare